Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at this paper shredder machine. I heard it was not working, so I plugged it in and I pushed the power button and there was nothing from it. However, my next step was to test the power cable, and I had gotten the 112 volts, which was expected, right? So I moved from there and I was unscrewing the screw because I was gonna take a look inside of this shredder machine, right? So I'm just gonna finish screwing out these screws, and as you guys can see, here is how it looks inside the shredder machine. So I can see where we have a broken sensor there. My next step is to check the switch and see if it is good or it is bad. So just turn our multimeter onto continuity and put the different leads into the correct position. Press down on the switch. First, when I pushed down the switch, there was no beeping sound, and then the second time I could hear the beeping sound, which signified that this switch is either going bad or it's bad, so it's definitely need to be replaced. So at this moment, I'm just gonna remove the circuit board from the shredder machine. I'm gonna take it to my workshop, have it cleaned up, and also replace the switch. Alright, so here am I, guys, at my workshop. I am gonna get a brush to dust off this circuit board, and then we are gonna focus on the switch. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm through with that. Now I'm gonna use this toggle switch to replace our push button switch. Alright, so the wires that were connected to the push button switch, I have to cut them, strip them, and add some solder onto them so I can get them attached to this switch. Alright, so this is where the soldering process starts. We add a small amount of solder onto the wire, and we also gonna add some onto the switch. That way it is easier to get our soldering done. Alright guys, I'm through with that. Now just gonna attach this wire onto the switch. Alright, bear in mind guys, the push button switch that we are going to use this toggle switch to replace it, it had a rating of 15 amp, 250 voltage AC. Alright, so we had to look for the same ratings. Alright, so this toggle switch is 15 amp, 250 voltage AC. Alright, so same ratings which we had to use. I also did a little adjustment on the circuit board so I could accommodate this to the switch. Alright, because it's different size from the push button switch. Alright guys, I'm back at the shadow machine and I'm gonna test this switch, alright, to see if it works. And there it is guys, it does work. So our problem was the push button switch. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the continual support. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment out.